Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla, and welcome to the Science Park. Today we are able to meet with friends following relaxation of the social distancing rules in Hong Kong, and we've decided to visit and have afternoon tea at the Science Park. The Hong Kong Science Park has several cafes, Chinese eateries and Western restaurants open to visitors and also for those who work here. It's also a lovely open and expanse area to get some fresh air and scenic views. Many people come here to cycle, jog, hike, or even just to walk around and see the beautiful views along the waterfront. And since we are here, we will check out the EV chargers installed in the Science Park car parks. Now previously, and I mean several years ago, there used to be superchargers here at the Science Park. In fact, it was one of the first superchargers in Hong Kong, with about 4 stalls. Sadly, Tesla removed the superchargers from the Science Park. I'm not sure why, but to compensate for that, there is now a 20-stall supercharger centre nearby at the Chinese University station. That's about 2 miles or 3 kilometers away from here. Instead, the management of the Science Park installed level 2 fast chargers in all the car parks here. And that's what we're going to check out today. These are 10 kilowatt destination chargers, and there are 20 EV stalls in this one car park alone. The whole Science Park has 4 car parks, and all 4 car parks should have EV charging spaces, but I need to confirm this later. Does this work? Connection? Okay. Let's go and have a look. It's charging. See, set the limit. Ready to charge. Why isn't it charging? We'll try this. Confirm. Still waiting. It's the EV charging station. Still waiting. There's quite a few people in this charging place. Quite a few Teslas. Over here as well. Testing. Still waiting. Why are you still? Error. Reconnect. It's a bit silly. I'll try it. Just check again. See, everyone's charging here. Mine says ready to charge. So it's all connected. Connected. Let's stop the connection. Connection okay. Let's go back. It's this one. Let's just confirm. Error. That's a bit silly. What do you mean notice? So should go next to it then. So some of these are all charging. What I'll do is I'll disconnect. Unlock charge port. Okay, I've unlocked it in the Octopus kiosk. Oh, I've got to do that first. Okay. Now you've got to go to the kiosk. Now you got to go to the kiosk. It said select it, agree, just do confirm, and it says unsuccessful. So it's not very good. Look, it says connected, but it's not charging. Connect. Error. It says 049 is connected. I can't do it. 049 it says it's connected. Oh, I've got to tap the Octopus card. Okay. Didn't say about tapping the Octopus card. Got my Octopus card. How do I do it? Start charge, park your electric vehicle, connect the charging cable, select the car park space number, then press confirm. Yeah, but it says error if I do that. Do that again. Confirm. Put my Octopus card. You won't accept it. So that's annoying. I'm going to try this one now. Okay, just plug it in. It won't give me the English. Okay, connected. Agree. Confirm. Octopus. It says add your Octopus. That's what I just did. Print receipt. Why do I want the receipt for? Amount deducted, 0. Okay. What time is it? It's not 4 o'clock. Is it? Oh, it is 4 o'clock. Okay. So now it's in use. That was a bit of a... It took 20 minutes. That was now it's charging. That wasn't very easy. This one, can I stop for identification? Okay. in use. I've done that. Or stop. Confirm. Yes. Okay. So many. It's nice to see other ones. So we've got the Volvo XC60 or 90. So it's nice to see other. We've got the Kia. Nice to see other EVs here as well. Not just Teslas. So this one works. It wasn't working for me. And now we will. Oh, you want drink? Yeah. So then we'll just wait, so it says. So we had some nice fish and chips and pizza and ice cream, all very healthy stuff, and then we had a nice walk along the waterfront. We parked for 2 hours and charged for 1.5 hours from 60% to 82%, which is not too bad. The thing about these free EV chargers is that although they are free to use, they are always located in car parks where there is a parking fee. So technically, you still have to pay to charge your EV. The question then is this really considered free? I'd like to hear your views on this, so please comment below. The way many public car parks are going, there will be level 2 EV chargers installed in all car parks in the future. Actually, I don't see the economic sense with companies installing EV chargers in public car parks. For example, Schneider Electric already has 1,700 chargers in 53 locations and plans to install 15,000 EV chargers in Hong Kong within 3 years. That's by 2025. If you're interested, I will leave a reference to that in the description below. But what's the business case here? Perhaps I will post a video about this issue in future. Please let me know in the comments below if you are interested in the future infrastructure of EV chargers in Hong Kong. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.